Hi everybody, in this video I'll be showing you the procedure on what happens when you report someone on Instagram. Now when you report a content or a profile on Instagram, you could report is sent to Instagram for review. Now when you open up your Instagram application login, now let's say I am simply gonna go ahead and report this content. Alright, so I'm just gonna tap on the three dot icon right on top, and then there is the report button. So it's gonna ask you to give a reason for reporting. So then after which you just need to select it and click on the submit button. You've successfully submitted a report, and Instagram will review the report content or profile to see if it goes against the community guidelines. Next, if the content violates the guidelines, it will be hidden to remove from Instagram. And if any account repeatedly violates the guidelines, Instagram may take action such as banning or deactivating the account. And likewise, even if content is not removed, Instagram may use your report to show less of that type of content to your feed to personalize the recommendation. And as in case of you, it's remain anonymous to a person you reported. They will not be notified that they reported or that you've reported the content. And you could check the report status of, or you could check the status of the report to see the outcome of the review as well. And likewise, you cannot unreport an account or content once you've submitted a report. So this is what happens basically. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.